We made this in 15 minutes in the motorhome. Let's see if we can actually pull it off. Okay, and it's time again. It's our 15-minute challenge. Pepper in there, onion in there. It's a nice sweet chili sauce, and we've also got fries. We're going to do it in less than 15 minutes. We're going to show you how to do it, and it's all going to be in our Ninja all-in-one combi. So let's start the stopwatch. Our ingredients are potatoes. We've got chili, onions, pepper. We've got a red salt. We've got sweet chili sauce. We've also got our tortilla wraps, and we've also got our chicken. So let's crack on. First of all, we've got to prepare those potatoes. We've got to parboil them, ready to be air fried as well. Okay, so we're going to start by part baking these potatoes. A little bit of water in the bottom of the pan, as you can see. Like so. We're going to pop that into the air fryer. And we're going to pop that on. We're going to pop that on to high. And we're going to pop it on for 3 minutes. So we start part baking the potatoes that are being cut into small fries, and they'll be part boiled for exactly 2.5 minutes. So we'll place 3 chicken frozen burgers onto the tray, which will be laid at the top of the grill. And while those potatoes are actually cooking, we're going to place the grill. Let's pop them into the air frying mode for exactly 13 minutes. So once those potatoes have cooked for around about 5 minutes, you need to drain them, and then you need to place them onto the top tray with the chicken and let them cook together. Pop a bit of oil on the top of the fries. Have the red salt onto the fries as well. Once you're finished with the fries, empty off the tray, a little bit of oil in the bottom of the tray. Transfer the onions, the peppers and the chili all into the one tray, and that's going to go straight into that air fryer. Okay, so we're at nearly the 7-minute mark right now. And what we've got in there is we've got our chicken in there, our onions, peppers and chili in the bottom. We've got our fries as well up on the top of the chicken, and we'll check them in around about another 5 or 6 minutes time. Once the fries are cooked for around about 3 minutes, take them out, and we're going to place them onto the crisper, and they're going to go directly on top of the onions and the peppers. Once you get to the 12-minute stage, you want to be popping the sauce straight into the top of the onions and the peppers. Give it a shake, pop it back under for 1 minute. So obviously the 15-minute challenge is based on the cooking time. You have to take into account that there is some preparation that needs to be done on that, the cutting of the onions, the peppers, the potatoes. I'll probably add another 10 minutes on top of that for prepping. So we've got a couple of minutes to spare, and what we're going to do now is we're going to get the chicken out, and we're going to slice it up into very, very small slices. So we now transfer the chicken onto the wrap, like so. We've got a good serving of the chili sauce. And then we're going to wrap that up and put that straight back into the bottom tray to cook for a further 60 seconds. Serve the chips onto the plate.
to the philosopher Immanuel Kant, no human life may ever be taken for any reason, even if one's...
Okay, we've just over a minute and a half left to spare, and we've got our final dish, which is our sweet chili chicken wraps with fries, spicy salted fries, in less than 15 minutes in the Ninja fryer. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel, give us the thumbs up, and until next time, we'll see you again.